Welcome to Four Moms for Success. Your host for tonight, Mayfloor, Maribel, Geraldine, and Roxanne.
Hey! Happy Wednesday!
Yes.
Hello mga sis. Kumusta? How are you? How are you, sis Roxanne?
Happy Wednesday.
Happy
We're only three
Wednesday.
today,
Yep,
tonight. Wala si Sis Jerlene, but
Yes.
he's on
hope she's
vacation.
enjoying her vacation.
Yes. Enjoy your vacation, sis Jerlene.
Yeah, have a great
So
vacation
before we
too
start
with your
our
family.
show, we would like to welcome you to our 4 months for success. And this is May Santa Ana. I'm originally from the Philippines. I am a nurse by profession, a mom of two, and of course, a proud digital entrepreneur. Sis Roxanne.
Hi, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. I'm Roxanne from Seattle, Washington. I'm a mom, a wife, a property accountant by profession, and a proud digital business owner. We also want to invite you to our webinar tomorrow. It's going to be at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 7 p.m. Central. If you're in the Philippines, it's 8 p.m. This business is global, so just kindly check your time zone and register to our website so we can send you the link for it. Sis
Yeah.
Maribel.
Yes, thank you. Hello mga sis. We miss Sis
Hello.
Jerlene. Insert Sis Jerlene.
Yes, we'll
Thank you
insert
so
sis
much for
Jerlene.
being with us again tonight. I know it's Wednesday. We usually do it on Mondays, but hey, it's we are moms and we have some stuff to do, but we are so happy to be here. And thank you for taking time to be with us. Before anything else, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Maribel Palarca, and I am the face behind Maribel M. Palarca business page. I am a mom of two, a physical therapist, and of course, a digital entrepreneur. And originally from Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines, and me and my family are now presently residing here in Louisiana, USA. Thank you.
Yes, we have 1,000 viewers right now. Thank you. I cannot see, probably in your side, sis Maribel. If you are able to see our viewer, you can just shout out, or they can just leave their name, and we will shout. Oh, we have 2 million viewers from 1,000 to 2 million.
And the 2000, it jumped, nag-jump.
It jumps. Yes. So for tonight, I know we missed you last Monday, but as Sis Maribel said, we are a mom and we are also have a profession, but we are still here, right? So that's the beauty of having a digital business, because it's the flexibility. That's one of the key point, probably. That's why the three of us, or the four of us, are really into this business that we have. For tonight, our topic is all about our first impression when we saw the particular story, or ads, when we click that ad to start this kind of business, when we are just curious to know what is really inside of this business. Okay, for me, I will start when saw those particular ads in the social media. I said, is this SCAM? But the thing is, if you are really resonate to that particular person that you saw in that particular social media, you are really curious to know most of it. So what I did to the mentor that I have, I really have to call her. Yeah, I really have to call her and ask her what is really this business is all about. When she explained it to me and she told me to watch the webinar, and then I saw the business in there. Maybe some of you guys maybe will say there's nothing in the webinar, but actually, if you pay attention on what the webinar is saying, you will know that the webinar is all about really the backbone on how you can start a business on the online space. And that's the first step. So, Sis Roxanne, anything to your impression of our digital business when you started it?
When I started, initially I saw this on a Facebook ad, but when I saw it, I said too good to be true. So I was scared at first, which is very typical for most of us. Since online is kind of like we don't want to be scam or so. And then later, my very good friend introduced me to this business as well. She asked me to watch the webinar, so I sign up and watch the webinar. I asked her questions prior to watching because I'm interested to get info right away. But she told me just watch the 90 minutes webinar, and it is really helpful if you're gonna watch it yourself rather than being getting info from the your mentor or yeah, because you can get as much information on the webinar too. So if you are interested, do not hesitate to sign up, watch the webinar, hear the success stories from real people with real results. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
that is also.
Sorry.
Okay, go ahead.
Go
It's
ahead.
me.
Oh yeah,
Did
that
I
the
hear?
thing is, I know a lot of inquiries comes into us, and then they will say, why not just disclose whatever the business is all about? But the process that we have when we started, we want you also to have that particular process. Why? If ever we give you the detail of the business, we might omit or miss something that is really important for you to know. So that's why we want you first to watch that particular webinar in order for you to know the basic of having a business in the online space, and also what is really all about. Is it only just for like a sake of posting, or is something that can also a lifestyle that can you can attract people that they can resonate to your stories, something like that. So sis Maribel, anything for you when you started this business, your inquiries, or are you really what do you call this one, what is really your first impression?
Impression, yes,
Yeah.
it's always it's always they always say the first impression last, but then actually when I start, I mean, I've been working, before. I have a full-time job. I have two to three extra jobs on top of my full-time job. I think when I saw this business, I was at the point of my life when I was so tired. Like I was so tired. I said like, I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to keep doing this kind of job that I will wake up at 5 o'clock, go to work, be there at 6, be at work at 6, go home at 7, and stuff like that. I am so tired of this. And I was really praying, when sometimes you pray, God hears your prayers, and he answered it. I think he answered it through the ad that I saw on one of the postings of our business partners, Coach Mylene. And in fact, it wasn't me. I think really my husband really felt what I was going through that time, because he was the one who got excited about it. He was the one who told me about the post, and I was like, "Oh, okay." And it's like, yeah, and aside from that, it was about Sis Mylene, and then it was from Coach Orfa's posting. He was just like trying to uh post what about Sis Mylene's blessings and milestone, and then my husband saw it, and he was the one who got excited for me and said like, okay, now knowing that Coach Orfa, or Sis Orfa, one of our business partners, she comes in our house once a week, because used to teach taught James how to play piano, but she did not say anything about the business. That's the beauty of our business. You don't really have to tell anybody. You don't really have to bug your friends to join the business, because they will just see it on your posting. They will just see it on how uh like somewhere on the ads or different platforms. And she did not tell us about it. We just saw it on her posting, and we asked her about it, and she told us, yeah, just like what she your friends told both of you, that just watch the webinar. And I didn't mind it one day because I was still working busy, and my husband said like, hey, I already registered you go watch the webinar. Like, you did? Yeah. So he was the one who was, for somebody who was like usually the skeptical one between him and me, he was the one who was excited. Mean to say, I got his approval, and which means like this could be a good one, the best one, or the right one for us, the one that I've been praying for, because he went along with it, and he was the one excited. So like, I said, I already signed you up. Go watch the webinar, and then I did, and it was from that day on I started watching the webinar, doing my coaching call, and stuff like that. And I really felt that this was the answered prayer for me. But that was the excitement was there at the beginning. But then when I started doing it, started to realize, oh Lord, this is a new to me. It's an online business. It's a digital business. What will I do? I'm not even tech savvy, and I don't even have experience. But once you started the business, you soon realize that anybody can, from 18 to up, can really, it's easy for them to know the business, because it's a step-by-step process. It's very easy. And right now it is it has been translated. The training has been translated to different languages, so it erases the boundaries. There's no more border between one country to another, between one language to another, because everything has been, the training is translated. And there's a lot of people in your country or in your place where you come from who are into this business and are willing to help. And isn't it awesome? I said like, yeah, okay. So I tech savvy. I did not, I said, no, it's, even if I'm tech savvy, I'm good with it. It's still good because a lot of people will help me, and along the way I learned a lot of things. I'm so proud to say it, that I learned a lot of stuff through this business. Yeah, because you really have to update yourself, your learning. You really have to update your knowledge, or else you'll be left behind. And our business has been very true to its essence, or to its value, that we really have to update. And that's why I'm so proud that I'm a millennial. But millennial ba tayo? Or is it Gen X? Hindi ko rin alam.
I think Gen X.
Gen
Millennial.
X ba
I
tayo?
don't know.
I'm going along. I'm learning with
Yeah.
the Gen Z or something.
We're-
Like, I'm not millennial, but that's not like 1975, eh? But then it's like amazing that, yeah, I know that one. I know that one. My son would say, Mom, do you know this? Yeah, I know that one, because we learn along
Evolve, yeah.
along our journey. And the tech savvy, now you can still learn it. You will really, even we have retirees who are business partners, and they are better than us. They learn more. Oh my God, it's so amazing. That's why there's no boundaries. And then the second one is that I am not tech savvy, and the second one is I don't have business experience, which is really true. I think all three of us don't have business experience, but look at us. I mean, we are learning a lot, and it is really true that a lot of people would say, "Hey, why do we have to watch the webinar?" and then stuff like that. The thing is, like, you, just like what you said, Sis Mayflower, you will miss a lot of things. Now, there's no shortcut in success. There's no shortcut in everything that we do. We really have to follow the process. We really have to go through. I've known a lot. I've met a lot of people who started this business very excited that they want to start right away. They did not go through the training, the step by step, they didn't go through the process. And then, like, every time they have business partners, they don't know what to tell them, because they haven't watched it, they haven't experienced it, and they haven't learned it. So it's like, what will you share to other people if you don't know the process of the business, so the step by step? And that's why we really want you to start from the beginning, and that is watching the webinar. And from that, you can, and then there's a lot of learning to do. And don't worry about it, we will take care of that. Our system will take care of that one. So I think that's my first impression, not being tech savvy, and of course not I don't have any business experience. So that's what I was scared about, because digital and business, which are the things that I don't have. No business experience. I don't know about digital stuff. So I'm glad that I still continue. Yan lang, sis.
Yeah, that is true. I think most of us who are in this business actually don't have business background. because we did not study that when we were in the college years. And of course, tech savvy. What I know is only type my name or the keyboard, but even right now, I'm not really. I have to look at the keyboard in order for me to formalize that particular sentence or paragraph. But the thing is, this business give us the ability to discover ourselves, discover the learning, and discover that you have also skills that you think that you are not able to do it, but you are able to, right? And of course, if my another first impression that I have when I watch the webinar, I'm so excited. I cannot sleep after watching the webinar. That's why I said, okay, I have to be in this particular business. Why? Once they introduce you to the exclusive community, when they welcome you, you don't know those person, but they are welcoming you warmly, and if they are in front of you, they can just hug you. And that is one of the, I think, you will feel that you are belong to this community. You will feel, even though it's only a text from them, but the feeling of like, oh, somebody acknowledge me as a person, somebody acknowledge me as a business partner or a friend. So those things, it's hard to find that in one community. But if you have a community who knows what the purpose and the mission why we started this business, you will find that you will found the true essence of having a business in an online that gives you the purpose of being a human being. I think that's what I felt when I started this business. That's why I'm so excited to start the business. And plus, since Maribel says the impression is not tech savvy, but I said, I know I'm not tech savvy, but I can learn. That's the thing. In this business, it's not the pride, it's not that you know everything, but the thing is, it's better to ask questions, because if you ask questions, that's the time that you are learning, and you know that you are willing to be coachable. And I think one more is mindset. Sis Roxanne, I know you have more, so I want to hear from you another impression about the business when you started it.
Um, like any others, when we started the business, we think of a commission. But in this business, you will learn that, like what our founder is always telling us or reminding us, just focus on your mission and your commission will follow. I love the heart of this business because this business will give impact to other people. It's not just about income. And another thing is the values that we could give to our family and kids. Like yesterday, I told my daughter wanna go somewhere, and then I told my son and my daughter that, oh, I'm not sure if we have a live today. And then my son said, oh, you can ask your coach if you have a live today. I was so happy when I heard that because every time I have any mastermind, any training, since I have it on the speaker, they can hear it. I thought he was just playing on the background, but at the same time, he is learning from what he is hearing from my training and mastermind and live. And I asked him yesterday, if I ask you a question, what does mommy do in this business? And he said, you go live and do this and do that. And I was just happy because I'm not just building it by myself, but right now I'm building it with my kids.
Oh,
So
that's so nice, right?
thank you.
Because most of us, if you are working, if you are we are employee, we miss those the very important what they call life that we have to be with our kids. And because of this business, Sis Roxanne and Sis Maribel and me are able to share this particular business to our children, even in how old is your uh what the youngest, Sis Roxanne?
He's almost 7.
Ooh.
See, it's all
Mhm.
only
Like,
7, but then the mindset that he has now is more on the positive side, and it looks like he's preparing himself also to be the CEO of this business.
Yeah.
11
I
more
love.
years, 11 more years, sis.
11 more years, correct.
How about you, Sis Maribel? Anything else to say?
Yeah, yes, I just love the because we did realize that we are also giving impact to the people around us, and
Mhm.
it's in, and I'm glad it's in the positive way, because my kids will also talk about that and things about that, like about, are you gonna have a meeting today and stuff like that. So when we're having a meeting, they're so quiet because they know the routine, they know the so it's really funny because like you are not the one who's only impacted on this one, but also the people around you, the family, your family. And then I the thing is like I know all of us have like different kind of experience, you know. May some of us may have experienced any business thing before, and then it did not work, and then stuff like that. So you may have some bad experience from your previous business endeavors, or ano ba yan, what do you call that, business ventures. But then it doesn't mean that all businesses are bad, you know. Like a lot of us started with being skeptical. A lot of us are started with thinking about, how can I do this? I have time and stuff like that. It is too good to be true and things like that. It could be an SCAM and things like that, because we cannot take that away from you. We cannot take that away, that you will always think of that, especially if you have bad experience before. But then the more you, that's why we want you to really watch the webinar, because we want you to change those skepticism, those bad impression, to something that is hopeful, something to be something that is enriching, because we really believe in our business. That's why we want to watch the complimentary webinar. It is free. You just have to sign up your name and your email address, and then you're good to go. That's why we want you to see it first, because so that you will soon realize that this is not the same from the other businesses around, right? It might be the same as digital business or online business, but our content, our values is different, and how we do this business is different. And you will soon realize that this is not just too good to be true, but these are real people with real stories and real success. That's it lang, sis.
I love it. Oh, we have 8,000 viewers right now.
Okay.
I'm so happy. We have a lot.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad that I hope they find value about the one that we are talking in here. I It's just so nice to spread this particular business to other people, that I know most of us is looking for a solution to whatever we have right now. Solution, because for us in the medical field, and some of us, is Roxanne also, we are juggling part-time jobs. We have full-time, but we are juggling another work, physical work, that sometimes it's really hard for us to have the ability to relax, the have the ability to be with our family, and even to yourself, because sometimes we really neglect ourselves because we want to focus on how we can save and give the best for our family. But because of this business, we are able to do that. And we are so proud to say that to each and everyone who is watching right now, and who wants to start also and change the cycle that they have. I think we are good with that, but I'm really also proud of the community and the accountability that you can find in this business. I have another accountability partners in my other team, but this four of us and also our team, it's a lot of sharing, accountability, and in there, what do you call this one? We discuss, we share the knowledge that we have, and also gather their experience and their knowledge, and That's how this business work to each and every one of us, because it's not pulling us down, but each and every one business partner here is pulling up to that particular goals and success in life. Yes, Sis Maribel. Sis Roxanne, anything else?
Before anything else, I just want to greet my son, James. Happy birthday.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
He's
James!
birthday.
15 years old today, 3 more
Happy,
years, and
happy
he
Three
will
more
be
years, he
birthday.
will be a
a part
CEO.
of this business, and I'm so excited. So it's like, Mommy, I have to sleep now.
Happy
But I
birthday,
just want to say happy
James.
birthday, James.
Happy birthday, James.
Thank you.
Sis Roxanne, anything else?
I think that's all.
That's all. That's all for Sis Jerlene. If in case you are available on Friday, see, I announced it already. We are chatting earlier, and I told to my sisters that if Sis Jerlene is available on Friday, we can do another one, because we don't want miss one of us will be out in this show that we have. That's how
Yes.
flexible we are in this business, and of course, we want also that you will know us better and you will trust us, because that's how this business work. We want you to know who we are, and we want you also to know that this business is legit and registered, and you can count on it. Yes, Sis
Yes.
Maribel, you will be the one who will end
Yes.
this show.
Thank you. Bye, everyone. We'll see you again Friday.
Yes,
Okay.
See you
Friday.
Bye.
Friday.
Tomorrow,
Yeah.
tomorrow
Have
is
fun, Sis
Thursday.
Darlene.
Oh,
Huh?
Tomorrow is Thursday, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Then Friday.
So,
That's good.
yes, Friday is
Okay.
Jardine. And
Okay.
tomorrow, another
Bye.
workshop for us. So,
yeah.
if you
Woo.
are not busy and you want and curious what's really in this business that we are in, and maybe you can feel that this business also you can do it, then we welcome you already. Watch
Open
our,
arms.
yeah, open arms. Watch our complimentary workshop
Okay.
and be part of this community. Yay!
Yahoo. Okay.
Bye
Bye.
Have a good
bye.
night.